Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Look at this big, clean, white drawing space. It is quiet and empty, like a magic stage waiting for a new friend to arrive. Take a deep breath, wiggle your fingers, and imagine a cheerful little piggy getting ready to pop into the picture with a smile. A curved line appears, swooping gently across the page like a tiny rainbow taking a nap. It is not a whole character yet, but every big drawing begins with one brave little line. This curve is whispering, "Get ready, something funny and friendly is coming."
Wow!
Now the little piggy's head begins to form. A round, cheeky shape appears with a snout reaching out to say hello. 3 little ears pop up on top like happy balloons. The picture is still simple, but it already feels playful, silly, and full of bounce. 2 round eyes join the face, looking bright and curious. The piggy seems to be peeking around the page, wondering who is watching. Maybe the piggy is thinking, "Is it time to play? Is it time to laugh?" The drawing is waking up more and more. Tiny nostrils, a sweet smile, and a round cheek appear, and suddenly the piggy looks extra friendly. That smile is so warm it feels like a giggle. The little face says, "Hello, my friend. I am almost ready for a wonderful day outside." A simple dress shape is added under the head, turning the floating face into a real little character. The piggy stands tall and proud, like a star on a stage. The body is plain for now, but it gives our friend a place to dance, jump, and twirl.
Yay!
One tiny arm reaches out from the side, with little fingers spread wide. It looks like the piggy is waving hello to the trees, the clouds, and maybe to you too. Give a small wave back. The piggy might be saying, "Come on, let's draw together." Now both arms are open wide, as if the piggy is ready for a big happy hug. What a funny, cheerful pose. The little friend looks excited to begin an adventure. With arms stretched out, the piggy can greet the whole world with joy.
Yay!
A curly little tail appears behind the dress, twisting like a tiny spring. Boing, boing, boing. That curly tail makes the piggy look even more playful. It feels like the tail is bouncing with laughter, ready to wiggle whenever something funny happens.
Yay!
One small foot and boot are added at the bottom, helping the piggy stand. The boot looks ready to stomp softly on the ground. Stomp, tap, wiggle. Our little piggy friend is getting closer to walking through a bright and happy storybook day. The second foot and boot arrive, and now the piggy can stand steady and strong. 2 little boots are perfect for marching, hopping, and puddle-splashing fun. The piggy smiles proudly, as if saying, "Look at me, I am ready to go exploring."
Yes!
The whole outline is now complete, from the snout to the ears, from the arms to the curly tail, and all the way down to the boots. The piggy looks simple, sweet, and full of personality. What a lovely friend made from happy black lines.
Wow!
A gentle outdoor world appears around the piggy. A soft ground line stretches across the page, and little trees stand nearby like friendly guards. The piggy is no longer alone on a white page. Now there is a place to walk, play, and smile. Fluffy clouds float into the sky, making the scene feel breezy and light. The piggy opens both arms again, as if greeting the clouds. "Hello, soft clouds," the piggy might say. The trees listen quietly, and the whole picture feels calm and cheerful. A bright sun shines above, sending warm rays over the little outdoor scene. The clouds drift gently. The trees stand tall, and the piggy looks delighted. This is the perfect day for pretend adventures, silly songs, and happy little steps across the grass.
Yay!
Color fills the world at last. The sky turns blue, the grass turns green, the sun glows golden, and the piggy becomes pink with a bright red dress and yellow boots. Hooray! Our friendly piggy is finished and ready for a joyful, sunny adventure.